The last video we'll talk about how to fetch the tags so we can be able to console log it on our application. On our front end we're able to see this guy. So now how to loop through each tags and actually placing the tags here. So here we'll go on and create a div. Let's say let's create a table instead. A table. We have a table head, TRO, and I think I don't know Bootstrap that much, but I think it should be TD because it's a head. So we can see this is a SN serial number. Let's duplicate. So duplicate, we can see this is the name of the tags. Let's say tags, and then we say this is the status, and then we say time created. Okay, let's say date created, or let's say last updated. I like using last updated. So now let's give this table class to avoid poor rendering. Class of table. This is normally this is Bootstrap, so no big things attached. So now we'll create a t-body. Now we have to give a t-body class, calling it a load tags. Now we'll be using a Jquery like to loop through each tags that we're creating. So let's comment this guy out. Let's say an each. This is Jquery each. So each data you give us a value, then we can console log the value to see what we're actually having. So when we click save, we'll come to the browser, hit reload. You can see we actually have a single object here stating each tags, telling us how each tags has been. So now let's actually display our tags on the table, so we don't actually need to console log everything. So we need to remove this guy. So first I want a variable like an SN, like a count. So let me say let's SN equals to 0. So we'll be counting from each object. So we can say SN plus plus. This is a normal JavaScript kind of pattern of doing things. So let's say we'll call in that class. Now we'll call in an HTML. So I'll be using ex6 to open it. Ex6 quotes, it's called backtick. So you can call in the load tag class here, your load tags class. Then now you can create a new table row inside of here. Then you can do a bit something like a TD, and I think we made it think about 4 or 3. Okay, it's 4. So now the first one we think about the SN, because it's counting, so to count the normal data that you just looped through. And the second one we take I think we take the tags name, that's the value coming here from the index and the value, so we'll be using the value dot name. So this one to take value dot status, and this will take value dot state. I think we're good. So one more thing, when you load a page, like you refresh, you actually get something like this, and it's not counting, it's not bringing all the data, and you'll be like, what happened, is wrong or something. No, it's not wrong. Actually, we're supposed to use append here. So append appends new record on each loop in the JavaScript. So when we refresh, you can see we actually append this guy. So what happens when we add new tags? We have to refresh every time. So that's when pusher comes in. So the next video will be adding our pusher. So we'll be making use of real-time you add tags. You get to see it reflect on your browser without you having to make a new load request and all that.